his pay. I went out a shooting pheasants when she sat and plucked all day. I don't wanna end up like him plucking pheasants till I'm dead. Gotta find another way to earn me bread. I'm not a pheasant plucker, I'm a pheasant plucker's son, and I'm sitting plucking pheasants till the pheasant plucker comes. Birds are flying over it most of the day. Gotta find a target just to make me way. I'm not a pheasant plucker, I'm a pheasant plucker's son, and I'm sitting plucking pheasants till the pheasant plucker comes. Trying to be an entertainer, be a joker or a clown, but the folks who came to see me, they just had to put me down.